Quran has the solution to the problem of fornication, of adultery, of prostitution. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Isra chapter 17 verse 32, come not close to adultery, for it's an evil opening other roads to evil. Come not close to adultery. Don't do adultery. Come not close to adultery, because it's an evil opening other roads to evil. Quran has the solution to the problem of pornography, of immodesty, of obscenity. Islam and Quran and Hadith, they prescribe hijab. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Nur chapter 20 verse number 30, it first speaks about hijab for the man. Ya alladhina amanu, oh you believe, lower your gaze and protect your modesty. Whenever a man looks at a woman and any brazen thought comes in his mind, he should lower his gaze. That is the hijab for the man.